Terminator 3, Rise of the Machine, starring Arnold Schwarzenegger. He is back for the third time as the Terminator, second time as the good Terminator. We have him looking for John Connor, played by Nick Stalls. He's looking for him, and he's also looking for Catherine Brewster, played by Claire Danes. The bad Terminator, not actually going after John Connor himself, not quite yet, but she actually pretty much comes back in time to go after his lieutenant's spouse, you know. And Schwarzenegger got to protect these two people. You got the TX trying to go after the lieutenant till she realizes that she finds John Connor pretty much by licking his blood, gauze or a Kleenex or something like that. It was not exactly the most appealing thing, I'd say, in that film. Probably some of the problems for me in this film, even though I enjoyed the film, I'd say probably of the three Terminator, I probably would say the second one, the third one, and then I have to actually say the first one. Even though the first one wasn't bad for what it was, but like I said, you know, you can always go back and rewatch that the very first Terminator review. But I guess the whole thing is Schwarzenegger, when you first see him, and he ends up at a male strip club, and even though it was kind of funny where, you know, he walks up on stage and says, "I want your clothes," and of course this guy's probably like skinny as hell. I don't know how these clothes would fit Schwarzenegger, but hey, you know what? It's Hollywood logic. We gotta leave it at that. But I love how the stripper's like, you know, throws out his hand and says, "Talk to the hand," and Schwarzenegger grabs his hand and says, "Now," you know. But of course he does say it later on too. And it's just kind of silly on that. You know, I mean, Schwarzenegger still always does a good job. It's Schwarzenegger. People usually will go see him pretty much in almost any kind of film. The Expendables, he had a small part in the first one where I don't think he was even supposed to be in it while he was still governor. Well, you know, acting is his passion. People love him, you know. Same thing like with Stallone and Bruce Willis. Of course, they were all in the Expendables, you know. It's still good, still, you know, still a fun, entertaining film. There was, you know, there's still some funny parts, you know, I should say, funny lines from even Schwarzenegger, because of course of him being a robot, he has to have that straight pan face, and he still does a great job with that. He really does. Unfortunately, I'm not asking people to go back and rewatch these films or anything. I'm just trying to give, like I said, you know, give recap, some updates about the film. So I go back and rewatch. I mean, they're great movies to watch, you know. So, that's pretty much all I can really think about out there, people. So, please, you know, if you enjoyed this video, as you enjoyed all my other videos, hopefully you have, you know, please go out there and subscribe, you know, like, comment. You know, if you have a Facebook account, please go on to John Franklin. You'll